Hi students, welcome to Dr. CSR Academy and myself Rahmatullah, Faculty of Mathematics. See here, permutation and combination questions, lot of students are confused. Find the rank of the word. How can you find the rank of the word? See here the PYQ question. All the letters of the word mother are written in all possible ways. Then the position of the word THROEM. What is the rank of the word THROEM? THROEM. So if you take the alphabetical order and the dictionary order. So what is the dictionary order? What is the first letter? A, B, C, D, E. E is the first letter. Next F, G, H. H is the second letter. I, J, K, L, M. M is the third letter. O, P, Q, R. R is the fifth letter. And 6 is the sixth letter is T. See here, how many letters on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write here 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. So 0 factorial means here is the factorial. What is the factorial? Factorial value is, for example, 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2 into 1, that is 2, 3 factorial. 3 factorial is, any factorial is, 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 to 1. For example, 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 to back 1. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So total multiply 24. That is the factorial values. See here. Okay, find the rank of the word THROEM. So 5 factorial into, here, see, observe here, 6. 6 below 6 on the right side, how many numbers are there in right side 6 below? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write here 5 into, here is the number is 2. Below 2, right side, how many numbers are there? See here, only one number. So 1. Next number is 5. Below 5, how many numbers are there in right side? 1, 2, 3. Next number 4. Below 4, how many numbers are right side? Below 4 is 2. Next number 1. Below 1, how many numbers are there in right side? 0. Below 1, 0. Next, as usual, below 3 is no more number. So 0 plus 1. 1 is any number, any word plus 1 will be added. See here, the rank of the word is theorem, THROEM. So 5 factorial into 5 plus 4 factorial into 1 plus 3 factorial into 3 plus 2 factorial into 2 plus 1 factorial into 0 plus 0 factorial into 0 plus 1. So total numbers will be added. So 5 factorial value 120. I can write now here now. 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So already 24. 24 5s are 120. 120 into 5. 4 factorial value 24 into 1. 3 factorial 6 into 3 plus 2 factorial is 2 into 2. 1 factorial 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 1. So total values 125 are 12 5s are 12 5s are 600. So 60, 12 5s are 60, 600 plus 24 ones are 24, 6 3s are 18, 2 2s are 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So total 624, 18 plus 4 plus 1. So total answer is 22, 23, some 624, 628, 638, 646, 647. This is the rank of the word. THROEM is the rank. Without repetition or with repetition? Without repetition. So this is the rank of the word without repetition. So you can, with the repetition is more videos. You can see the log on to Dr. CSR Academy. Thank you.